How to reverse video in Capcut. Hey, welcome back. This is me Yusra, and this video gonna be about Capcut tutorials and effect you can use in your videos. So the topic of this video is how we can add reverse effect in Capcut. So first you have to make sure your Capcut is installed, and after that open it. Click on the new project and choose your clip which you want to add reverse effect in it, and then click on the add option. Here you can do the editing which you want before reverse the option. So my video is already edited, so now I'm adding the reverse effect. So you have to choose this video, and after that go into the options and scroll from left to right. You will see this option of reverse and tap on it. It will take a long time, like maybe 4 to 5 minutes, and after that you will see that my video has been reversed there. If I remove this effect, you can see that the video was opposite to the present effect. Like you can see that it was starting from this, like from top to bottom, and now when I add the reverse effect, it was working like so. In this way you can add the reverse effect in your videos too. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.